Here we got a 2018 GMC Canyon Crew Cab, only 13,000 mile, two owner with a clean Carfax, and a really pretty maroon. Employee owned by one of our technicians. You will not find a nicer, more mechanically sound GMC Canyon here. Very, very meticulously kept, excellent condition, and only 13,000 mile on a 2018 model. So just kind of take a quick tour here, show you some of the options you get on the SLT, which is a higher level trim package on the Canyon. You can see we do have the chrome not only in the center grille area but also in the lower bumper fascia on the SLT. Also have the high intensity headlamps with the integrated halogen fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. A nice smoke bug shield across the front to keep the stones off the hood. Walk around to the side, you do get the upgraded 18-inch alloy split spoke wheel. Tires here, like new, obviously only 13,000 mile. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. Like I say, it was owned by a technician, so he just got done doing a fresh state inspection and oil change to it. And it is in excellent shape. Chrome door-to-door running boards there, factory. Also chrome door handles and belt moldings. We got the full power seat on the passenger side, full leather interior, ebony with offset white stitching, two bucket seats with a full console and automatic floor shifter in between, and otherwise charcoal interior. A little bit of synthetic wood grain here on the door handles and center console area. We do have a used car mechanical check sheet here, as you can see. Shows the depths. We got 11s on the front, 10s on the back, brand new or 12s, so light new tires and brand new brakes all the way around front and rear. That is one thing we pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, is this used car mechanical check signed off by the technician that performed it. Take a peek here through the back. You can see very clean interior, and the crew cab gives you very ample leg hip and shoulder room. On the back of this console, you can see we got two USB ports and a 12-volt power supply. Help keep your rear occupants connected. Got the bigger box here, as you can see. Zero oxidation on the frame rail. Got the mud flaps, factory style here on the front and rear. It's well accessorized, drop-in liner, step bumper, Class 3 tow hitch, backup camera. See all the Canyon SLT badging, V6 badging. Integrated wiring, 7-way round, 4-way flat underneath. Full-size spare there, never been used. 4x4 emblems on the quarter panel. Again, all the tires match like new, no rust on that frame rail either. It's a very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. And full power seat on the driver's side as well, forward, back, up, down. We also got your key fob. We got two of these. It does come equipped with factory remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power mirrors, power locks located right on the door. Let's hop in. Start it up and show you. And like I say, the real star of this truck, garage kept, was all its life, and you can see there 13,000 original miles on an 18. Continuing the tour, you do have your headlamp controls here, push button on the fog, electronic shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive transfer case. Got the tow package with the integrated trailer brake control, high beams, turn signals, and your toggle for your center screen is on the left. Over here on the right, intermittent wiper washers. I'm sorry, here's your control pad for the center screen. You got your Bluetooth hands-free and your cruise control to the left. See, it's equipped with factory navigation, AM/FM satellite radio, ability, of course, to pair your phone and project off your smartphone. You can turn on your backup camera. You can have your text populate to the center display. Of course, all GM vehicles come equipped with OnStar. And obviously you got your Apple Play, Android Play integration. So, I mean, it's upgraded sound all the way around. We also got your dual climate control, as you can see here. Heated leather seats. There's your button for your cargo light tow haul mode. Ability to shut off your traction and your 4-way flashers. Down below there you can see a auxiliary input, another 12-volt power supply, another USB. We got your floor shifter here with on the end, the ability to select any of the gears in the multi-speed transmission. 2 cup holders. Another USB in the center console. All kinds of places to stay connected. As I said before, all GM vehicles come with OnStar. We do have LED map lights. Also have LED illuminated visors on the driver and the passenger side. I mean, what more could you ask for? Top level trim here. Push pedal for your emergency brake. Pop the hood, we'll take a peek. The V6 engine we have on here. And see, there it is. Clean, quiet, 13,000 miles. Looks like a new one. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Well maintained. Go ahead and shut the truck off. We'll get into the last portion of the video here. Like I say, 200, no accident, all new, like new tires and brakes all the way around. Last part of making informed buying decisions, Cosmetic Appearance. Just going to walk the truck here, show you any minor imperfections it may have. But like I say, it is in excellent, excellent shape. So this is not going to take too long. Little tiny stone chip right above the door there. Kind of scan the side here for any dents or dings, but I did not notice any on my first go round. Looks really, really nice. Even back here on the tailgate, no real marks at all to speak of. A couple little minor stone chips down here, but you know, usually on a truck, tailgate's where you find the majority of your damage. We just got a couple minor chips and one very light, faint scratch there that's been buffed. But I am splitting hairs here, looking for damage. Hunting damage and not really finding it. Couple little spattering of stone chips there. I mean, any vehicle that spends time on the road is going to pick up a rock or two. That's actually a little piece of dust. That one is too. Guys, it is hard to find like new vehicles right now. There's one we touched up. That's probably the worst mark I've seen on it. There's a little scratch right there. We buffed it as well as possible. That's probably now the worst mark I've seen on it. That really is it. But like I was saying, it is hard to find like new vehicles. A couple little chips there, a little bit of bug damage, a couple stone chips here across the front. I'll quickly pan across. But if you were looking for about as clean a used vehicle as you can get with new car type mileage, this is the one for you. And it does still have the remainder of the comprehensive powertrain warranties available through GMC, transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or, of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.